welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today I am wearing Belinda by Envy, and this is my first Envy wig, and the color that she is in is medium brown, and I am just so happy with this pretty hair. It is so natural. The hairline's very natural, the density is very natural. I've shared before that I didn't have really thick hair. You know, when I had hair, I had baby fine hair. So hair like this just reminds me of what my natural hair would look like. So let's jump right in and we'll start talking about the color. So the color is medium brown, and it is described as a medium to dark brown with a light caramel brown going through it and a medium golden brown. So, and I can see different colors, even though it's really just a, called medium brown, I can see those, different colors in the color. The color is really, really pretty. And I'm really happy with the hair itself because it's not too shiny. I didn't have to spray it with any dry shampoo or anything. So this is just right out of the box. This is what she looks like. And you can see she's got these pretty layers around the front here. She's long, so I'm gonna have to go up and down in this video a little bit, but she's got these pretty layers around the face. When you put her back, you can see those shorter layers there in the front. So her measurements are, this measurement in the front is 8 inches. The crown is 14 inches. The sides are 12.25 inches. And then her nape back here is 12 inches. So 12 inches from this nape back here down your back. So I'm gonna do a spin and I'm gonna have to step up on a step so you can see her all the way down the back. So here is my right side. Really, really pretty. Let me show you the back. Going up on a step. So here's the back. Goes down right to the bra strap, ladies. Then I'll move my little stool out of the way. Here's the left side. Really pretty. And then back to the front. So she is very versatile, as you can imagine. She's got all this hair, she's got these layers, so she can be worn up, she can be worn down. I mean, I've just been doing all kinds of things with her. So of course, you can just clip this front part. I'll show you the lace front. While I'm on that, let me jump to the lace front because you can clip her all the way back because the lace front is so good. So let me clip her back. This is how I had her the other day. I thought it was super cute. I don't know if that's perfect on camera because I don't have a mirror, but you can see the lace front is really, really good. I haven't even trimmed it yet because I like to show you these right out of the box, and then I'll tell you a few things throughout the video that I might be doing with it. So I think I'm gonna trim the lace back just in this area right here, just because I can see the lace line, and I love the lace front. I don't want to say I don't love the lace front, but I can detect a tiny bit of looseness right in here, and if I cut that back, I'm going to get that to be really flush up against my forehead. So that's why I would choose to trim this lace. But as far as the lace front, I mean, you can see it is well done. Goes down to the ear tabs. I'll pop her off at the end of the video and show you the inside of the cap and everything. But so she's really, really versatile. So she's a great half up, half down, kind of do wig. You can just pull her like that. Really, really easy. See that from both sides. And then you could pull out this longer part in the front if you wanted to. That would be really, really pretty. And then she is good for a ponytail, which I always love. I love a wig. I can put it up in a pony, especially right now. It's getting where I am. It's already in the 90s. So really cute for a ponytail. Works really, really well for that. And then I would pull down, I mean, this part, actually, this layer, since it's 8 inches long, it actually seems like it would probably stay in a ponytail, but I always like to, I don't know, I pull a little bit down around my face. I just think that looks pretty like that. But, so she's really, really versatile, so there's a lot that you can do with her. So, let me pop her off and we'll look at the inside of the cap. So she is a lace front and left side monopart. Oh, okay, I thought my cap came off. So there's the part. And then the lace front, you can see she's, her lace front is, wide going across here too. Goes down to the ear tabs. She has open ear tabs, which are great for glasses if you wear glasses. She has an extended nape, but it's open. It's not the, you know, the velvety stuff. And then she's got these little bra strap type adjusters. Now, these I don't mind. They seem to, I adjusted them once and they seem to be staying in place. But if you ever have these on a wig and they're loose, you can always remove this little black clippy thing, and you can sew some Velcro on the inside of this, and that Velcro will stick, you know, over here, or you can put the opposite side of the Velcro over there if you feel like you need to. But no, you know, those can be replaced. They can be fixed. There's videos on YouTube where you can find women giving probably better instructions than me on that. But anyway, so she is a gorgeous wig. Like I said, lots of layers, really fun, really cute wig. I purchased her myself. I got her on the site called Pinky Promise, and I simply chose that site because I was scanning through online. I was looking for a 30% off or some kind of a coupon code for Envy, and they popped up as having one. So, you know, if you're looking for a certain brand and wondering if there's a coupon code out there, do that. You know, just Google the wig or Google 30% off on whatever the brand, on Envy, for example, and that's what I did, and that's how I got the discount on her. So really good. I had a great shopping experience with them, good communication from them, and the wig, you know, arrived very quickly to me. So very happy with my purchase from them. So thank you so much for watching. If you like these videos, like and subscribe below. You can hit that little bell and you'll get a notification of when I post a new video. I usually post every Tuesday. So thanks for watching. Enjoy your hair. Don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.